Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mai Suwīto Piano. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a small curve across. Then let's draw 2 more on each side, bringing it down. And then 1 more down and out. Now underneath, we're going to draw the shape of the face by drawing a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw an oval on each side for the eyes. And color these both in black. Now to continue the face, let's hop to the center and let's draw a small sideways oval for the nose. A curve underneath for the mouth. And then add a small curve on each side. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's continue the head. Let's hop out on each side and let's draw a curve down and up like this for the ears. And then underneath, let's draw 2 bumps back into the head. Now let's hop on top of each ear and let's work our way up and in with a bumpy line, meeting on top in the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. In the center, let's leave a gap and we're going to draw a flower, starting with an oval. And then let's add bumps around for the flower petals. Now on each side, let's draw a curve out and around for the hands. And now for the arms, let's draw 2 bumps up on an angle on each side. And then 3 underneath. And then let's finish off the arms by drawing 2 bumps back up to the head. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath each arm and let's draw a bumpy line down. Then let's hop into the center and let's draw 2 bumps down on each side like this. And then close off the bottom with a bump across. Lastly, at the bottom here, let's draw the feet. Let's draw 2 curves down and in. And then another curve underneath to close off each foot. And now let's hop in and let's draw 1 more curve at the bottom for the toes. And that's it for Mai Suwīto Piano. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!